Hello, Heartbreakers, and welcome to Heartcore at Home. I have got my amazing friend, Lindsay, here, who is literally a pro at the Microformer. And so in today's class, we are doing a strength class, a lot of glute focused work today. We're also doing a lot of chest. We're also doing back. And so for class today, you're going to need your black cables that attach to your back platform because we're doing upper body. And then you're going to need your black handlebars that attach to the back platform because we're doing some core off the back at the end of class. Heartbreaker, let's get class started. All right, Heartbreaker. So the first exercise in class today is going to be a giant wheelbarrow. So make sure you're on one light spring and one black spring for a massive challenge. So let's get started. You're in a kneeling push-up position. From the crown of your head to your knees, you're creating a diagonal line with your body. I want you to squeeze your butt to activate your lower abs. I want you to squeeze your inner thighs together. And most importantly, I want you to press away, palms press away into the carriage to activate your lats. So big inhale through your nose, Heartbreaker, and start to slowly extend and send the carriage out towards your front platform. So this is the front platform. That is the back platform. So starting off the back of the machine. So it's going to be feeling very challenging right away. Okay. Yes. So really, again, like with your palms, it should feel like the same sensation as if you'd be pressing away in a push-up. All right. So upper back is active and we're pulling here. Love the breathing, Lindsay. So yes. So take a big inhale through your nose. Resist that negative tension. Big exhale, pull, squeeze belly button to spine and squeeze your pelvic floor muscles. All right. So that is all a part of your core, right? I want you to keep that activated, and you're going to keep it activated when you're squeezing and exhaling at the same time. So we got about under 60 seconds left here. So just take this time here to really warm up the core. We're going to be doing skating later on in this class. And when you're in skating, I want your core to be just as activated as it is right now. So yes, I'm just going to be checking out Lindsay right here. Yes. So make sure as well that the ribs are pulled up, Heartbreaker. Yes. So ribs are up to the kidneys. Beautiful. This looks so amazing. There we go, Lindsay. 30 seconds left, Heartbreaker. Make sure you're relaxing your facial muscles. You're really keeping your shoulders down. Your upper traps are relaxed. And I want you to really, every time you pull that carriage in, I want you to exhale and squeeze your lower abs like you've never squeezed them before. Okay. It's really important that you're squeezing your own muscles when you do this workout. I didn't understand that the first 5 years I did this workout, but again, you got to really squeeze and engage. Coming up, we're going to take it to a set of push-ups. We're going to stabilize the carriage. Push-ups in 3, 2, 1. Let's do a Heartbreaker. It's down, pressing way powerfully up. Inhale down, exhale up. Yes, Lindsay, I love it. It's down and it's up. Relax your face, relax your neck. Keep that core engaged. Inhale down, exhale, squeeze your abs up. Getting ready the upper body for today's class and getting ready our core for today's class. And if it's too much with the push-ups, you can always have a tabletop back and do push-ups that way, or keep your hips up a little bit higher if you so choose. It's down, it's up, it's down, it's up. Final 3, we're going to hold it in 2 and hold it, Heartbreaker. So next up, we've got our giant cobra. So bring your hands at the very edge of the carriage. You're still in that kneeling push-up position. And with a squeezed booty, you're going to start to slowly drop your elbows down. Drop the elbows down, hinge from your shoulders. Right before your elbows hit the carriage, you're going to use your lower abs and your hips to come right back up. Yes, Lindsay, exactly. This is a tricep focused exercise. You're stabilizing your lats. Inhale, drop it down. And then exhale, squeeze your lower abs, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles and come right back up to the top. You also want to make sure too that you're not sticking out your elbows. It's so easy to do that. Okay. So just really think about cranking your elbows in towards the side of your rib cage. Yes, Lindsay, beautiful. Inhale, dropping it down. Yes, yes, yes. You're about to hit the carriage and then come right back up and really squeeze the booty, right? Because when you squeeze your glutes, your lower abs activate that way. All right. Make sure your facial muscles are relaxed. Your upper traps are relaxed. Yes, we got 10 seconds left, Heartbreaker. There we go, Lindsay. Dropping it down, feeling that burn in the triceps. Yes. And next up, we're going to take it to our plank hold. So come into a plank. There we go, Lindsay. So coming into a plank, and you can modify by being on your knees. It's all good. So you're in that plank holding it right here. And next up, we're going to pike up our hips. So Lindsay here is going to pick up her hips, keeping a beautiful neutral spine. I love how long her tailbone is. And if you check it out too, her spine is totally flat. She's not rounding at all in the upper back. So really keep that chest open as well. Yes, Lindsay, love it. Picking it up and make sure you're breathing to keep your core activated. Big inhale through your nose. Exhale all the air out of your mouth and pull your abs in, okay? Every time you exhale, that's what I want you to do. 30 seconds left. And heartbreaker, if it's too intense, like I said before, just do the same exact thing on your knees. No big deal. You're gonna get stronger every single time you take class. Yes, so you're resisting down, and think about also like resisting up, resisting up, resisting up. Yes, resisting down, and make sure your shoulders are staying on top of your elbows the whole time. It's so easy as well for the shoulders to want to seesaw, but just keep it on top of your elbows. We have our final 5. We're going to be taking it into a plank hold in 4, 3, 2, and 1. So holding the plank right here, and we're going to take it into leg lifts in 10, 9, 8. We're going to be lifting and marching our feet in 4, 3, 2, 1. So left leg up and drop it. Right leg up and drop it. Feel the lower abs stabilizing your hips. Left leg up and drop it. Right leg up and drop it. We're going to take it to a hold in 3, 2, and hold it here. All right. So this is our round 2 of 3. Big inhale through your nose. Yes, Lindsay, I love it. Big exhale, squeezing your abs. Yes, it is all good to take a break. This is so intense. And we get those leg lifts back. So right leg up and drop it. Left leg up and drop it. Feel your lower abs. And again, it's all good if you modify. Pick it up and drop it. Pick it up and drop it. Yes, heartbreaker, you can do it. We got that last plank hold in 3, 2. Hold it here for 10. For 9, big inhale, use your breath. Anytime you're in a hold, use your breathing to keep you going. We got last leg lifts in 3, 2, 1. Right leg up, drop. Left leg up and drop. Hips stable as you can get them. Pick it up and drop it. We invite our final 3, 2, 1. That was our warm up. All right, heartbreaker. Next up, I want you to change your springs. We're going to go to 1 red. And if you would like intense intensity, you can go 1 red, 1 white. So we're now going to get into skating right side. So step your right foot on the front platform and your left foot under the strap of the carriage. And make sure both of your feet are secure under the strap so that you really are able to like go hard in the skating, okay? So first thing you're going to do is you're going to come down in a squat. So come down in a squat, stabilize your right leg, and you're going to start to slowly extend your left leg out for 1, out for 2, out for 3, beautiful, Lindsay, out 4, and feeling your abs slowing down the tension. Nice. Exactly. And we just warmed up the core, right? You just ran that plank to pike. I really want you to put your core to work here. Your core is supporting you with this left leg. Remember that the core is the key to the legs. So you always want to have the core firing. Yes, Lindsay, inhale and exhale. Yes, press it out. So this exercise works the outer booty. It works your outer thighs. It works your hamstrings. It works your central glutes as well, okay? And so you also want to make sure that you're feeling constant tension in your muscles in this exercise. So it should never be a point where you're feeling like any kind of relaxation in your lower body, all right? Yes, Lindsay, there we go. Pressing it out, out, out. Yes, and resist, resist. And when you bend your knee in, I want you to feel like your abs like really slowing down the carriage, okay? Yes, Lindsay, love it. And really digging through your heels, pressing through your heels. So this is our strength work, okay? So getting seriously stronger every single second. We have under 30 seconds left here. Inhale in, exhale, pull your abs in, press it out. Yes, there we go, Lindsay. Inhale in, exhale, squeeze belly button to spine, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles as you extend your left leg out. Yes, and if you ever need to take a break, heartbreaker, take a break, shake it out. In 10 seconds, we're gonna be emphasizing the eccentric contraction. All right, so we're gonna be going out for 1, in for 4, in 3, 2, and 1. So out 1, in for 3, 2, 1, out 1, in 4, 3, 2, 1, out 1, in for 3, 2, 1, out 1, in for 3, 2, 1, out 1, in 3, 2, 1. Yes, Lindsay, out for 1, in for 3, 2, 1, out 1. Yeah, take a break for a second. Like, I know how intense this is. We're building that lean muscle mass by focusing on the eccentric contraction. Out 1, in 3, 2, 1, out 1, in 3, 2, 1, out 1, in 3, 2, 1. You got it, Liz. There we go. Out 1, in 3, 2, 1. Last 10 seconds. Out 1, in 3, 2, 1. Out 1, in 3, 2, 1. All right, Heartbreaker, let's get back down into that squat hold and we're going to prep for some squat jumps. And listen, we're going to move fast now. And if that doesn't feel comfortable for you, just move slow or use the support of a pole or a wall. All right. So we're going to do squat jumps in 3, 2, and 1. Throw the hips down, throw your hips back, throw your hips back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. Inhale down, exhale up. It's down, it's up. This is your cardio, Heartbreaker. Down, it's up. Imagine you're throwing something off your hips. It's down, throw your hips. It's back and throw. Inhale down, exhale throw. Down and up. 10, fast twitch fibers at work, all right? 6, we have 5, we have 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, Lindsay. Yes, Heartbreakers.